Solar thermal gets smart. The new generation of TDC Smart Controls by Sorel brings any solar system online with ease. No extra gateway, no network configuration. Just select the local Wi-Fi and enter its password to access energy statistics, system monitoring and remote service from anywhere. TDC Smart Controls offer a range of ready-to-use applications like solar, wood stoves, pools or any other temperature difference function. Rest assured that all common safety functions are built in to protect your system. Adapt predefined applications by selecting additional functions to match your system design. Installation is easier than ever, with new push-in connectors and generous space for comfortable wiring. Ease of use is key for any Sorel controller, and the new color touch display takes it to the next level. As always, the setup wizard gets you started in no time. Every parameter is explained right on screen, and once in operation, animated graphics show the system status at a glance. Make your solar system smart. Learn more on www.sorel.de.